Hello everyone. Today I am back with another important video, and that is part B of audiovisual multimedia video, and the name of today's topic is audiovisual multimedia in mathematics. Before starting with this topic, I am going to tell you about the organizations which produce audiovisual multimedia. In this, major organizations are NCRT, IGNOU, CIET, NGOs, and they effectively work. These are very useful in field of mathematics because audiovisual multimedia work effectively even in the absence of teachers. Suppose the children lives in a rural area or very remote area where a teacher cannot be placed in a school, or if there is no school at all, then the student can learn using the audio visual multimedia. ਨਾਓ ਸੀ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਰਿਮੋਟ ਏਰੀਆ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਮੇ ਬੀ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਨਾ ਹੋਣ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ, ਦੈਨ ਦੀ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਕੈਨ help themselves by using these audiovisual multimedia. And in this topic, audiovisual multimedia in mathematics, we will discuss this topic under two categories. First one is how to select a multimedia. Second one is how to design a multimedia. So we have talked about multimedia, what is multimedia, what's its use. Now we will just know how to select a multimedia. We will just learn about this, how to select a multimedia. There are certain steps for it. We will study those steps, and also we will study how to design a multimedia. After selecting that we are going to design such type of multimedia, then we are going to design it. We will just make a list of the steps which we will consider while designing that particular multimedia. So firstly I'll tell you about the topic how to select a multimedia. There are three main factors which we must consider while selecting a multimedia. First one is learner, second one is material, third one is setting. In case of learner, we must consider the basic level of the learner, in which standard he is, if he is a average student, or if he is a genius student, or if he is a very slow learner. ठीक है. And in case of material, we must consider the main requirements which we need to make a multimedia. For example, if we are living in that area that we are not having the material, then we must not select that type of multimedia. And the third one and the last one in this case is setting. We must have all the required things to just set up the multimedia. Like we must have the apparatus. Like if we have a video to show to our students, then we must have a laptop with us so that we can just use a multimedia, and we have a proper setting of the laptop from where it can be visible to each and everyone. Okay, so these three factors we must consider while selecting a multimedia. And then now we are going to discuss how to design a multimedia. ठीक है, multimedia design ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ first ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ defining endpoint behavior, ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ endpoint behavior ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. ਦੈਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਰਨਰ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਲਰਨਰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਮੈਂਟਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਹੈ, ਕਿਸ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਔਰ ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਸਟੱਡਿੰਗ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਦੈਨ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਡਿਫਾਈਨ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵਸ. ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਪ੍ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਮੇਨ ਫੋਕਸ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵਸ ਹੈ that we have to write, है ना, that we have to mention on those objectives. And then for after just defining the objectives, we must look for the material, we must plan for the material, and we must just go to the market to just get that material to just prepare a multimedia or design a multimedia. Third one is planning teaching methods. So if we have something to show to our students, then we must have some particular methods that we must employ so that students can learn effectively. And last one, we have to recycle that multimedia, and we have to evaluate that how we have shown the multimedia to students, what were their reactions, if it worked well or not. That those things we must consider in the evaluation process. So this is all about the audiovisual multimedia and mathematics. This is a very important topic from pedagogy of mathematics. So please like this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.